I never in a million years expected to get this far on YouTube. I cannot believe just how many videos I've done. Let's just have a quick look and see how many I have done. 150 videos, me talking like this. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. I just wanted to have a quick chat and let you know what's going to be coming up soon. I've got some big plans. For any of you that follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, you may have seen me let out a tweet. Are they still called tweets or are they called X's? I don't know. You may have seen me put out a tweet saying that I've managed to procure a server, a dual Xeon server. I've got to get some disks for it. And until it gets here, I don't know which disks it takes. Hopefully it just takes SATA, but I suspect they're going to be SAS. That's fine. Could always get a SAS to SATA cable, not a problem. We'll actually see what turns up when it turns up. My idea when I started this channel was to talk more about storage technologies within FreeBSD and open source in general, to be honest, along with proprietary stuff, Windows, Mac OS, what they do for their storage. It never happened purely because I never had the hardware. Once that's here, I can get stuck in and I'm looking forward to it. I always liked mucking around with storage and setting up network volumes and shares. That always interested me. I always enjoyed doing that. So hopefully it won't be too long until it's here, in a couple of days. I might do an unboxing. I don't know if I will. It's an old server. I'm not gonna beat around the bush. It is old. I can tell you that it's, as I said, if I remember rightly, it's 2 8-core processors. Actually, I'll have a quick look. Yeah, it's going to be SAS disks, so I might have to get a cable for that. Okay, so they're 4-core, 8 threads. So I've got 8-core, 16 threads and 24 gig of memory. Like I said, they're old, but that's not a problem for what I'm going to be using it for. I'm going to be using it for storage. I'm going to be using it for maybe light VMs. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. It opens up a lot of possibilities, and I'm very much looking forward to it. It opens up a lot of possibilities, and I'm very much looking forward to it. Okay. That's not all I'm going to do. I'm going to carry on doing what I've been doing. Any tutorials on stuff that I know how to do, I will do those. The problem that I have with that, as I alluded to at the beginning of this video, I've done 150 videos. I expected to do about 20 and run out of ideas. How I've kept going is beyond me. I just don't understand how I've done that. There isn't a huge amount of stuff that I am an expert on. I'm not an expert on FreeBSD. I know how to use it and I can get by looking things up. And that's what I do. I jump on other people's tutorials. The people that write these tutorials are they're the real geniuses. They're the real experts. I'm not. I'm able to follow a guide. I'm a sysadmin by trade. That's what I did. All that means is I know how to use Google. Hand on heart, that's what that means. It means I'm able to look things up. It doesn't mean I know loads of stuff. It just means I know how to research things. And I know how to search for things. A lot of people don't quite understand that. A lot of you lot will, because a lot of you lot will probably work on the same principles that you don't need to know this stuff. You just need to know how to find this stuff and follow a guide. Giving away the trade secrets there, I don't think it's that much of a secret. It's the worst kept secret in the world, I suspect. Anyway, moved away from the point. So, what is the point? The point is, I expect to do a lot of storage-centric videos, whether that be based on FreeBSD or Linux or Mac OS or even Windows. It's fine by me. I'm interested in it all the same. I'm interested in figuring out a benchmark suite and benchmarking them. Even though I don't have the fastest network, I only have a gig Ethernet here. That doesn't really matter. If it's all the same, at least all the results will be the same. Well, they'll all be correct to that bottleneck. So that's what I intend to do going forward. Hopefully I can make the video edits a little bit more engaging for you, and we'll see where we go, see where this journey takes us, because I never thought I'd get here. Over 6,400. I mean, I'm in their right mind. You guys are amazing. Thank you for following along with my journey here on YouTube. I really do appreciate that. Hopefully you'll stay along Hopefully you'll stay with me and follow along on my journey and see where it goes, because you're all part of this community, you're all part of this journey. You're the ones that brought me here, not me. I'm just a man with a camera and a couple of computers. So thank you again, and hopefully you'll enjoy the journey just as much as I do. And if we all learn something, so much the better. Anyway, enough rambling. I'm going to get on and make some videos and see what other things I can do. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.